Hi kids, and welcome to the Little Chewz classroom. I am Mom Soup Spoon, and I'm from the Little Chewz Cutlery Family, and today we're here to show you how to have a kind and cozy classroom this year. This is Noah. He's the butter knife in our family. He shows us that everyone brings something special to our classroom mix. What is one special thing you bring to your classroom this year? This is Aunty Louise. She's the whisk in the family. She whisks up all kinds of feelings into her rainbow soup, showing us that every emotion belongs. It's okay to feel happy, sad, nervous, or excited. All feelings belong. How are you feeling today? This is Brielle, the small fork. In the kindness story, she learns that even one small act of kindness really matters. Kindness makes life sweeter. Small acts can make a big difference. What's one kind thing you can do today? This is Aunty Monique. She's the vegetable peeler. In the garden story, she shows us that every idea is important and helps our classrooms grow. Our classroom grows when we share and listen. What's one idea you have for making your class great this year? Bye for now from the Little Chewz Cozy Classroom. And remember, you belong here. All feelings are welcome. Kindness lives here, and your voice matters. Let's make our classrooms cozy and kind this year. And don't forget to meet all the Little Chewz Cutlery family this fall.